The temperature is below minus 25 degrees Celsius. From now on, the winter appears as it really is. A rift in time, a chasm between two lovely seasons where every moment one risks damage and suffering. Wamut and Inap, a male wolf and his mate, like every other being still alive, strive to find enough energy to make it through this period of ice and snow. Woe to the weak, whom this season renders even weaker. A young bison has succumbed to the fangs of a cougar. His carcass remains for the wolves to plunder. Not a very honorable trophy for hunters capable of killing in packs the noblest of prey with their own weapons. While Wamut feeds, the female Inap runs around to warm herself. Her turn at the plunder will come only later, when her mate and master is done. But her hunger is too intense. Inap tries to approach. Wamut attempts to remove the carcass from his eager mate, but she has had time to assess what remains. The bit of flesh still sticking to the bones is frozen. There's nothing left. Wamut persists. The force of his jaws is such that he is able to extract some marrow deep in the bison's frozen thigh bone, which he manages to break by applying tremendous pressure.